control. But truth be told, I'm not the same no more. Yeah, I don't know what you've been told. I fell in love with another, didn't mean to make you fall. I couldn't do this forever, either way.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another Driving Through Jamaica.
I don't know what you've been told. Some may say I've lost control. But truth be told, I'm not the same no more. Yeah, I don't know what you've been told. I fell in love with another, didn't mean to make you fall. I couldn't do this forever, either way we would have lost. Now you're begging me to stay, keep telling you it's too late. You're begging me to stay. You're begging me to stay. Keep telling you it's too late. You're begging me to stay. I don't wanna stay here in the cold. I gotta run, can't fight no more. Now listen, well, what I say is gold. Now we can't stay here in the cold. I fell in love with another, didn't mean to make you fall. I couldn't do this forever, either way we would have lost. Now you're begging me to stay. Keep telling you it's too late. You're begging me to stay. You're begging me to stay. Keep telling you it's too late. You're begging me to stay. Now you're begging. Now you're begging me to stay. Keep telling you it's too late. You're begging me to stay. You're begging me to stay. Keep telling you it's too late. You're begging me to stay.
You will never understand what I went through. You never were a good listener. A good listener. You will never understand what you put me through. And you never be a good lover. A good lover. At first I believed I was the lucky one, but I was just fooling myself. But now I'm fed up, gonna take it all back, 'cause we're a no-go. I know that I do better solo, so move along for God and shadow. Better get it right this time around, yeah, we're a no-go. I know that I do better solo, so move along for God and shadow. Better get it right this time around. Better get it right this time around, yeah, we're a no-go. I know that I do better solo, so move along for God and shadow. Better get it right this time around. Come on, show me that you've got it, or I will run over your soul. I'm wild chaos drip and I'm flawless. We go out of control, stay right. Clockwise, scream my name all night. Take your prize, improvise. Boy, you run me like a wolf, bring it on really good. Every second now so smooth. Can't you tell, can't you tell? You get us going like you should. Bring it on really good. Every second now so smooth. Work your eyes clockwise. Work your eyes clockwise. Oh yeah, you make me wanna sacrifice. Now look at here, I'm so ready. Come into my bed, make me all red. All I want is everything, and you can lock me down if you let me in. We'll stay your eyes clockwise. You and I, all night. Huh. Boy, you run me like a wolf, bring it on really good. Every second now so smooth. Can't you tell, can't you tell? You get us going like you should. Bring it on really good. Every second now so smooth. Oh, yeah. Work your eyes clockwise. Work your eyes clockwise. Oh yeah, you make me wanna sacrifice. Like a prom queen when you're around, like a princess coming down. You get me higher than high, higher than high. Like an oasis in the sand when the shit hits the fan, and you are the man for me. Work your eyes clockwise, make me wanna sacrifice. You and me, boy. Work your eyes clockwise, work your
Hey guys, if you've made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you for watching and I really appreciate you, okay? By the way, before you go, leave a comment in the comment section. If it's even to say hi or hello, no need to be shy, alright? Talk to me in the comment section, guys. I will respond to you, alright? And until our next video, stay safe.